Too much?
No.
Like a good pain?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Breathe in one more time. And out. Alright, so we're here with Laddie, right? Laddie heard about us. How'd you hear about us?
A friend of mine.
A friend of yours. Her husband comes
Yeah.
to us. So she comes in with a neck, low back, hip, leg pain, mostly on the left side.
On the left.
Right? You've been having for how long now?
For more than 6 months.
More than 6 months. It's been affecting when you're sitting, standing, walking,
Sleeping too.
sleeping. You wake up in the middle of the night because of this pain?
Yes, sometimes I had to adjust my position in bed, so in that way.
You've been to chiropractic before, right?
Yes, I am.
You've never had it checked inside, what's happening inside the spine.
No.
So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do examination.
Okay.
We're gonna do full spine x-rays. So
No
when we do
problem.
x-rays, we're gonna take 2 of your neck, 1 mid back, 2 of lower back.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do the adjustment.
Okay.
You ready?
No problem. Ready.
Okay. Any pain?
Yes.
Other side. Any pain?
Less than this one. It's
Okay,
more
so when you
painful.
go this way,
It's more pain.
where's the pain? Where?
In my, over here.
In the lower back. Is it going down the leg when you go
Yeah,
this
here
way?
in my back.
Okay. When I do this, is that painful?
Like this.
Where?
My knee.
In your knees?
My knee.
What about lower back? When I do this, lower back pain or no?
Yes.
Wow. You're putting a lot of pressure. In order to see the top 2 bones, you have to open your mouth wide. It's almost straight. See that? There is curve,
But not too much.
not too much. So we have in between each bone we have a disc. Okay? The lowest one is supposed to be the thickest one. Okay? So your lowest one is the thinnest one.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
So what's the problem with that? Look
That
at
means
this.
everything is compressed.
Yeah, the nerve that comes out from that area is being compressed. Do you feel the stretch?
Mhm.
Very tight muscles in this area. Wow, you feel that?
Oh,
Too much?
no.
Like a good pain?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Okay, take a deep breath in. Hold it in. And out. Good. You feel that? Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out. Beautiful. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Let it go.
Oh.
Wow. What a great release. Breathe in and breathe out. Let it go. Oh, one more. That's it. Go on your back. Let it go. 2 more times.
Do I have to breathe?
Just
Normal.
just whatever
Okay.
normal. That, yeah. Relax. One more. Alright, now on your side, face me. Let it go. Woo. You feel that?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let me see. Like this. Let it go. How's that?
Much better. Oh my God.
Try to come stand up. Try to bend forward. How's that feel? We're not done yet.
Oh, look, I'm going.
Wow, look at that. First thing I'm gonna check your reflexes to see how you were doing with that. Then we're gonna recheck. This one is not doing so good. This one, you see how this is jumping? Not so good. Is this the leg, the body?
Mm-hmm.
So that tells us already it's not communicating very well. Breathe in and breathe down. Breathe in one more time and out. Breathe.
Oh, Angie.
How you feeling? What did you feel?
Oh, my spine cracked from the bottom to the top.
Breathe. How's it feel now?
Good.
Relax your arms. Relax. There you go. Any pain?
I don't know. I think this the compression over here. But
Oh, the compression of this. Okay, let's see. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. This one was good. Okay, let me adjust the neck. Let's see if we can relax. That's it. Come on, relax. Okay. All right, let me check again. Look at that. Look at that. All right, we're gonna do relax. You said this ankle or this ankle? Both?
This more, but this one sometimes.
Okay, relax. Let it go. Let it go. Good.
Oh.
Okay. We're not done. Come stand up for me. Tell me how that feels so far.
Oh, much better.
This one. Okay. Put this arm like that. With this elbow, you're gonna push against me. Hold on a second. Hold on, hold on.
Against.
Yeah, against. Good. Other side. Good. Push. There you go. Let's try this one again. Don't push it. Hold on a second. Let me. Go ahead now. That's it. You felt that?
Yeah.
Good. Good, good. Wrist issues or no?
Yes. Ooh.
Lots of popcorn.
Hello.
How you feeling?
Good.
So you said it was 7-8, right? 7-8? What is it now?
It went all the way, like maybe it's like a light over here, not too bad like it was, but it went all the way to maybe 2. No, it feels much better.
Good job.
It does. Oh.
Cool. All right, please subscribe, comment, and share.
Yeah.
Too much? Like a good pain? Gotcha. Breathe in one more time. And out.